To our channel. Today we'll be making this origami cracker. Let's see it in action. For this project you will need one piece of printer paper. Let's get started. Start off by folding it in half. Alright, now it's folded in half. Unfold. Grab all the corners and fold them to this crease right here, the crease that you just made. Do the same thing on all the sides. Turn it around. Alright, now you should have this. Now, fold in half from this tip to this. Alright, now you should have this. Now fold it on that crease. Now you should have this. Now you want to bring this corner. You want to bring that side all the way down to this side, just like this. You should have, and then one second. All right. After this, you unfold. You should have one crease right down there. Using that crease, you want to put your finger in the first pocket and pull up. Now you should have this. Now just fold it in half and there you go, your own paper cracker. Like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see you all next time.